Hey doctors, welcome back. If you've ever dealt with the frustration of a prior authorization denial, you're definitely not alone. These denials can stall patient care, pile on administrative headaches, and honestly, they just slow everything down. Today, we're diving into how you can effectively appeal a prior authorization denial and actually get that approval moving. It's all about strategy, precision, and knowing what insurers are looking for. Usually, it boils down to a few core reasons: missing paperwork, unclear medical necessity, or a service not being covered by the patient's plan. So when that denial letter hits your desk, read it carefully. Clinical notes, test results, relevant labs, anything that paints a clear picture of why this service or medication is medically necessary. The more complete and specific your documentation, the stronger your appeal. Every insurer has their own process. It might be annoying, but precision here matters. Make sure your appeal meets their exact format, uses the correct forms, and lands before the deadline. A well-organized appeal that checks all their boxes is way harder to ignore. Now let's talk about the appeal letter itself. Highlight the medical necessity and tie it directly to clinical guidelines or standard of care practices. This isn't the time to get wordy, it's about impact and clarity. And don't underestimate the power of physician input. A direct statement from the patient's treating physician or a specialist adds serious weight. Even better if they can communicate directly with the insurer. Once everything's in motion, stay on it. It shows you're serious and ensures nothing gets lost in the shuffle. Here's a quick real-world case. A provider faced a denial for an urgent MRI. Insufficient documentation was the issue. They teamed up with Staffingly's healthcare admin experts to pull together detailed records and a rock-solid appeal. Just 10 days later, approval came through. The patient got timely imaging, and treatment stayed on track. That's the kind of turnaround we love to see. Our team specializes in healthcare outsourcing, especially prior authorization management, so you can focus on patient care while we handle the paperwork. We've got the experience, the speed, and the precision to get your approvals moving faster and smoother. Thanks for tuning in, doctors. If you found this helpful, give us a like, hit subscribe, and follow us for more healthcare outsourcing tips and tools. See you next time.